Today's tutorial you will get to learn to make a circle that is worked in continuous rows. Let's hop in. So if you do not know, I'm Katy. I'm a mother of three that loves to crochet and knit. We start with a magic crochet and then we chain one. This is the magic crochet like this, and then we will make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we close the magic ring like this, pull it and close it, and then we will make here in the second row, we will start it directly without making a slip stitch. We will start directly with the second row. So I will make now 12 single crochet, 2 in each stitch. I will make 2 single crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5. We will have 12 single crochet on this row. Now on the third row, without making a slip stitch, we will start 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and you repeat this 6 more times, so you will have at the end of the row 18 stitches. Now on this fourth row, you will start with 2 in the first stitch, 2, then the 3, then the 4, like this. Now you will make 2 in the same stitch, 3 and 4. So 2 stitches and then the 3 and then the 4th and then 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then 2 stitches in the second one and the third one, and the 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then 1 stitch in the next stitch, 1 stitch, then 2 stitches in the same stitch, then 1 stitch, and then 1 stitch. So see, this is a round and this is a round. When you make a round and you want it to be a round, then you have to alternate the increase. So on the fourth row we made the increase in the first stitch. Now we will make the increase in the last stitch in the fifth. So we will make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second, 1 single crochet in the third, and then we will make an increase, and you will repeat these and 6 more times, so you will have by the end of the row 30. So here, as you can see, we have a round, and here where I didn't alternate and made in the same stitch the increase, we have a hexagon. So